Success and the law of attraction. Many people believe success only comes from working harder, earning more, or being lucky. But there's another principle that quietly shapes the direction of our lives: the law of attraction. The law of attraction simply means that what you consistently focus on tends to grow in your life. Your thoughts influence your actions create habits, and your habits eventually determine your result. If someone constantly focus on lack, debt, and problems, their minds begins to search for more evidence of struggle. They hesitate to take opportunities because they already believe things will not work out. Now, over time, that belief becomes their reality. But when a person begins to focus on growth, opportunity, and possibility, something different happens. Their mind becomes alert to chances they previously ignored. They begin to act differently. They take small steps. Those steps compound over time. Success rarely starts with money. It starts with mindset, your mind. A person who believes wealth is possible begins to behave differently. They start saving small amounts, they start learning about investing. They surround themselves with ideas that push them forward instead of pulling them back. Now, think about it like planting a seed. A seed doesn't become a tree overnight. It grows because it consistently receives sunlight, water over time. In the same way, success grows when your thoughts, actions, and habits are aligned towards the future you want. However, the law of attraction is not magic. It does not mean sitting down and waiting for wealth to appear. What it means is directing your mind towards the outcome you want so that your action move in that direction every single day. When your thoughts are focused on growth, you notice opportunities. When you notice opportunities, you take actions. And when you take consistent action, results begin to appear. Now, why do you think so? This is why successful people get what they feed their minds. They read books that expand their thinking. They listen to ideas that challenge them. They surround themselves with people who are moving forward, not backward. Your mind is like a magnet. Whatever you repeatedly think about, you begin to move toward. If you constantly think about failure, fear will guide your decision. But if you consistently think about growth, discipline, and long term success, your actions will slowly align with those ideas. The real power of the law of attraction is not wishing for success. The real power is training your mind to expect growth and then backing that expectation with consistent action. When beliefs and action combine, momentum begins. When belief and action combine, momentum begins. And once momentum begins, success stop feeling impossible and start becoming inevitable.